Hey Metaphor systems, I use Metaphor frequently, but while I was using it recently, I found a lacking problem with Metaphor. Let me share my screen and show you why. Here you see one query that I run on Google and one query that I run on Metaphor. The only difference that you'll notice here is that Google provides a query by snippet and Metaphor does not. Now, why do we need a query by snippet? If I go on this paper, Advantages of Query by Summaries in Information Retrieval by Anastasios and Mark. This is a paper from 1998 that was foundational in adding query by summaries to search engines. So if I go on page 8 on this, the first reason for having query by summaries is the fact that users think it's more helpful to have a summary than not, as shown by this graph. The second reason is that query bias summaries are great for screen readers and accessibility. Now, what would be a quick implementation of this? I already built it, so hottest new AI agent startups, I hit search, this hits the Metaphor API, and it hits my backend. So currently my backend returns this, which has a description key that Metaphor does not provide. This is my search API implementation, essentially called Metaphor. For each URL that Metaphor provides, I go in and scrape data for that URL. Now, every single website that cares about their SEO would have a meta tag with a description, and that's where I got my descriptions from. So if you go here, all these descriptions are from there. And to show you where that meta tag is, it's in the head of each website, and it's called the meta tag with a name of description. So to end this video off, I'll reiterate by saying that a query by snippet like this in your search results is better for two reasons. First, it gives the AI agent and your users better context about what the link is before clicking. And second, it's better from an HCS standpoint where you're providing better accessibility to users who use screen readers. Thank you.